Hello YouTube, Natasha here. Welcome to Before AGI. This video is the first in a beginner's series aimed at those of you who want to get your feet wet in the world of AI. We will be going over 40 definitions of common words and concepts that you are sure to come across throughout your AI journey. More in-depth videos for some of these definitions will also be part of later videos on this channel. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Artificial intelligence, AI. The broad field of creating machines or software that can perform tasks requiring human-like intelligence, such as reasoning, learning, perceiving, or decision-making. Machine learning (ML). A subset of AI where systems learn patterns from data and improve performance on tasks without being explicitly programmed for every scenario. Deep learning. An advanced type of machine learning that uses multi-layered neural networks to automatically learn complex patterns from large amounts of data, powering most modern AI breakthroughs. Neural network. A computing system inspired by the human brain, made of interconnected nodes like neurons, organized in layers that process data to recognize patterns or make predictions. Supervised learning. A machine learning approach where the model is trained on labeled data, input plus correct output, like teaching it to identify cats by showing thousands of labeled cat photos. Unsupervised learning. Machine learning where the model finds hidden patterns or groupings in unlabeled data, such as clustering similar customers without any prior categories. Reinforcement learning. A training method where an AI agent learns by trial and error, receiving rewards for good actions and penalties for bad ones, like training a game-playing AI. Large language model (LLM). A massive deep learning model trained on enormous amounts of text to understand, generate, and reason with human language, e.g. models behind ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude. Generative AI. AI systems that create new original content, text, images, music, code, videos by learning patterns from existing data. Prompt. The input text or instruction you give to a generative AI to guide its output, e.g., write a funny poem about cats in space. Prompt engineering. The skill of crafting precise, effective prompts to get better, more accurate, or creative results from AI models. Token. The basic unit LLMs process text in roughly a word or part of a word. Models have limits on how many tokens they can handle per input-output. Transformer. The key architecture behind modern LLMs, it uses attention mechanisms to efficiently understand relationships between words in long sequences. Attention mechanism. A technique in transformers that lets the model focus on the most relevant parts of the input when generating or understanding text. Fine-tuning. Taking a pre-trained model and training it further on a smaller specific dataset to make it better at a particular task, e.g. customer support responses. Pre-training. The initial massive training phase where models learn general language or world knowledge from huge unlabeled datasets before fine-tuning. Hallucination. When an AI confidently generates false or invented information as if it were true, a common issue in LLMs. Bias. Systematic errors in AI outputs caused by skewed training data, leading to unfair or prejudiced results, e.g., favoring certain demographics. Natural language processing (NLP). The field of AI focused on enabling computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. Computer vision. AI techniques that allow machines to interpret and understand visual information from images or videos, e.g., object detection, facial recognition. Algorithm. A set of step-by-step rules or instructions that an AI system follows to solve a problem or make decisions. Dataset. A large collection of data, text, images, numbers, used to train or test AI models. Quality and diversity matter hugely. Overfitting. When a model learns the training data too well, including noise and outliers, and performs poorly on new, unseen data. Underfitting. When a model is too simple and fails to capture important patterns in the data, leading to poor performance overall. Artificial General Intelligence, AGI. Hypothetical AI that can understand, learn, and perform any intellectual task a human can across domains, not yet achieved in 2026. Our channel, Before AGI, is named after this one. AI Agent. An autonomous or semi-autonomous AI system that can plan, use tools, make decisions, and take actions toward a goal, emerging in 2025 to 2026. Chain of thought prompting. A technique where you ask the AI to think step by step to improve reasoning and accuracy on complex problems. Diffusion Model. A popular type of generative AI, especially for images, that creates content by gradually removing noise from random data. Synthetic data. Synthetic data. Artificially generated data created by AI to train other models when real data is scarce, private, or biased. Foundation model. Large, general-purpose pre-trained models like LLMs that serve as the base for many specialized AI applications via fine-tuning. Transfer learning. Using knowledge gained from one task model to improve performance on a different but related task saves time and data. Epoch. One complete pass through the entire training dataset during model training. GPU. Graphics Processing Unit, specialized hardware that accelerates the massive parallel computations needed for training deep learning models. Ethical AI. Principles and practices to develop and deploy AI responsibly, minimizing harm, ensuring fairness, transparency, and accountability. AI Alignment. Ensuring an AI system's goals and behavior match human values and intentions, a major research focus. Multimodal AI. Models that handle multiple types of data at once, text plus images plus audio plus video, like newer GPT or Gemini versions. RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation. A technique where an LLM retrieves relevant external information before generating an answer, reducing hallucinations. Zero-shot learning. When a model performs a task without any task-specific training examples, just from its general pre-training. Few-shot learning. Giving the model just a few examples in the prompt to teach it a new task on the fly. Guardrails. Safety mechanisms, filters or rules built into AI systems to prevent harmful, illegal, or inappropriate outputs. And there you have it. 40 definitions of words and concepts that you are sure to come across as you explore the fast-evolving world of artificial intelligence. If you like this video, make sure to hit like, comment, and subscribe as we are busy producing more educational pieces on the topic. Until then, bye-bye YouTube.